If you're heading out on leave and don't want emails piling up unanswered, Outlook's out of office feature has you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook so anyone who emails you knows you're away. We'll first do this on desktop and then I'll show you how to set it up on your phone as well. So let's get started. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Whether you're using the desktop app, mobile app, or on the web, the steps are practically the same. In the top right-hand corner, click the settings icon. From the menu on the left, make sure you're under the account section and then click on automatic replies. Now, if you have more than one mailbox on this Outlook, use the drop down here to choose which email address you want to apply the settings for. Once selected, turn on the switch for automatic replies. Up next, decide when you want these replies to be sent. From here, you can set a start date and time along with an end date and time as well. You'll also see a few optional settings that can be really useful. The first one is blocking your calendar so people cannot book meetings while you're away. The second one helps you automatically decline any new meetings during this time. And third one even cancels and declines existing meetings if you want a completely clear schedule. Now it's time to write your message. This first text box is for replies to people inside your organization. You can format the message using the toolbar to keep it professional and easy to read. Scrolling down, you'll find the option to send a separate reply to external senders like clients or partners. You can choose whether this goes to everyone or just people in your contacts. You can use a different message here or reuse the same one, totally up to you. Once everything looks good, click Save button at the bottom. And now your out of office message is live. Now let's do the same thing on mobile as well. Open the Outlook app and turn on your profile picture in the top left hand corner. Next, tap the settings gear icon. At the top, under the quick settings, you will see automatic replies. Tap on that. And from here, you can switch on automatic replies. Just like on desktop, you can now set the start and end times, control meeting behavior, and edit your Outlook Office message, all directly from your phone. Now, before you go, here are quick tips for you. The first one is keeping your out of office message short and clear. Next, always mention when you'll be back tentatively. And the third one is, if possible, include a backup contact for urgent matters. Also remember, if you use multiple Outlook accounts, you'll need to turn on the settings on each one separately. That's it, you're all set. Now enjoy your time off and try not to check your inbox. See you soon.